everybody, this video is going to demonstrate how to properly perform 360 breathing. This is great if you are prenatal and pregnant. This is great if you are postpartum. This is a safe and effective way to work your core from the inside out, those really deep core muscles. And in all honesty, I actually teach this to my high schoolers when we're talking about weightlifting for proper core contraction. So every move that you are doing in terms of strength and fitness can actually incorporate this breathing. We're gonna start from a seated position, nice and tall posture, and we're gonna have our hands around our rib cage. My thumbs are facing back, my fingertips are facing forward. The goal of 360 breathing is to breathe in through that center body so that we're fully expanding those lungs and the rib cage without really huffing and puffing and bring those shoulders up and down. A full expansion is gonna feel at 360 degrees. You'll feel a little bit more in the fronts and sides than in that back, just because of the nature of our body. And on our exhale, we're gonna squeeze and pull in and feel those deep core muscles working. Our navel will draw in as a result of our exhale. And we always wanna exhale through pursed lips. That's gonna help contract those deep core muscles. So it might look something like this. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Inhale, deep exhale. I'm gonna do a few more. Feel free to follow along with me, and I'm gonna overlay it with some more talking to give you some other key tips and pointers on how to perform the breath.
All right, great. You're starting to get it. You may find it helpful to practice in front of a mirror to make sure that your shoulders are not raising and dropping down too dramatically. If you are not pregnant, I would also like you to try to start to draw in your deep core muscles as you are exhaling and just let your fingertips follow rather than kind of pushing in your rib cage and drawing in the core as a result of that. If you're pregnant and you have a belly, you probably just don't have the sensation of those core muscles to be able to do it, but you can kind of visualize it in your head. Again, these are working all the way through our deep core muscles. We're trying to draw them in every time we are exhaling. It is not only going to strengthen these muscles, but it is going to help keep our core safe when we are doing core moves. It's going to help protect our back when we are doing certain movements because we are engaging those core muscles there. So keep practicing, take it nice and slow, and allow yourself to breathe with me right here. Deep inhale all the way in. Deep exhale through those pursed lips, strong contraction of those core muscles all the way back out.
All right, I hope you learned a little bit more. You can use this video for information or to practice along with. Keep doing it, it's so good to do. I know it's difficult to feel those muscles, especially if you're first time, but remember, it's a new move if this is the first time that you're doing it. These are muscles that are contracting, and it's always hard a little bit to find that mental and physical connection. So the more that you practice it, the more that you do it, it's going to get more routine, and eventually you'll get to where I am, that I just use that breath every single time that I'm kind of working out, and especially with strength training. It's going to become synonymous with doing physical activities. So don't give up, especially if you found it frustrating or you couldn't feel it. It will get easier, and it's a great way to strengthen that core even just by breathing. Thanks for watching.